All right, here's a video of startup of the car. The car hasn't been running about a week and a half. I wanted to show cold startup of the car. Exhaust manifold is cold to the touch, and turbo is cold, whole motor's cold. So I want to show you what it looks like to, or how it starts when it hasn't been run for a long time. Don't mind the chickens in the background. So key on, fuel pump turns on, gauges initialize. Water temperature has a warning when it's cold, and it turns off when it gets up to temperature, so you know not to beat on the car when it hasn't been warmed up yet. And then the warning light also turns on at 200 degrees when it gets too hot. And there, the air fuel ratio gauge, it's also a boost gauge. It's showing a little bit rich right now, but that will lean out when the car warms up.